As a body shop owner, if you think you need 5 different software platforms and 20 OEM certifications and a stack of DRP contracts with insurance companies to run a multi-location shop, you're setting yourself up for burnout. I was just talking and breaking down operations with an independent body shop owner who started out fixing cars in his parents' garage at 17 years old. And today he runs 2 booming locations with 13 employees, 11,000 square feet of main base space, and 10 brand certifications. He runs with 0 DRPs, stays completely slammed with work through Google Ads that obviously I'm helping him with, and manages both facilities sitting from his home office. So here's the exact operational playbook on how he built his setup and why you should consider stealing these 3 strategies for your shop. First, stop chasing vanity certifications. So many owners spend tens of thousands of dollars getting certified for high-end luxury brands like Audi, Land Rover, even when they rarely see those cars in their local town. This owner only certified his shop for the exact brands driving down his local streets, like Ford, Acura, GM, so on and so forth. By matching certifications strictly to local demand, he built a massive independent customer base without sacrificing his profit margins to insurance companies. Now, number 2, eliminate software fatigue by mastering a single ecosystem. Instead of jumping between like 5 different softwares and apps for estimating or scheduling and parts matching and so on and so forth, what he was doing was routing 100% of his daily shop flow through CCC1, right? Now, obviously, it's the best of all evils realistically, but it just makes his life a lot easier. So his techs obviously are able to use the mobile app right on the floor. They take photos, move jobs from body to paint, like right there on the production schedule. And his front desk uses self-service kiosks and mobile tablets for drop-offs so that Monday morning intakes don't have bottlenecks and stuff like that, right? So because every single note, photo, message lives all in one central file, he can manage the operations across both locations 30 miles apart without ever walking onto the floor all day. Now, number 3, the biggest game changer was stop outsourcing ADAS calibrations to mobile vendors and parking lots. This owner literally bought the property next door, tore down a building, and built a dedicated in-house calibration and detail center. Now, obviously, you don't have to do all that, but you can still set up an ADAS calibration center inside your shop without much energy or effort. Why? Because mobile calibration techs are setting up targets on uneven parking lots, doing first step wheel alignments checks on unlevel surfaces, and if a front radar sensor is off by even 1 degree, it drastically alters the vehicle stopping distances, so on and so forth. Not to mention that by bringing the OEM scan tools and autel calibration setups in-house, he was able to eliminate the sublet cycle delays protected by his shop legally and kept 100% of the calibration revenue inside of his business. This is how you scale an independent body shop in 2026. Streamline your tech stack, protect your gross profit, and take control of your repairs. If you're interested in talking more about how he did this, go ahead and schedule a call with me in the link in my bio. I'm more than happy to talk to you about this and see how we can improve your body shop, and then of course help you bring more cars into your shop through Google Ads, because that's what the customers are looking for you. Let's go ahead and get it done. Talk to you soon.